Welcome to JDT Education Channel Sri Lanka. Today we are going to learn data communication in O-level information and communication technology. Like the video, subscribe and get notified about the next lesson. Let's learn what is data communication now. Transmitting data and information can be called as data communication. Let's learn about the basic components required for data communication. The three basic components include sender, medium, and receiver. Sender or the source means the person or the object which sends data. Mediums like telephone wires or wireless mediums are used to transmit data. Receiver or the destination means the person or the object which receives data. It's time for us to learn about data transmission modes. The three data transmission modes include simplex mode, half duplex mode, and full duplex mode. In simplex mode, data is transmitted from the sender to the receiver only. For examples, taking printouts, watching television, and listening to radio. In half duplex mode, data is transmitted to one direction at a time. For examples, browsing internet and walkie-talkie. In full duplex mode, data is transmitted to both sides at the same time. For examples, telephone conversation. Let's learn about the data transmission media. As given in the diagram, transmission media can be mainly categorized into two, as guided or wired media and unguided and wireless media. And guided and wired media can be again categorized into three, as twisted pair, coaxial cable, and fiber optics. Unguided or wireless media can be categorized into three, like radio waves, microwaves, and infrared. Let's learn about guided or wired media now. If the medium used for data transmission is a physical medium, it is called guided or wired media. The first category of guided or wired media is twisted pair or TP. In here, pairs of twisted copper wire are used for data transmission. Twisted pair cables can be divided into two, as unshielded twisted pair and shielded twisted pair. Let's learn about unshielded twisted pair now. You can see a picture of the unshielded twisted pair here, and it is used for telephone connections. It is very flexible and low priced cable, and also it is suitable for maximum of 100 meters. The second category of twisted pair is shielded twisted pair. As you can see in the picture, it is better quality and secure data transmission medium. And also, it is expensive than the unshielded twisted pair cable. Let's learn about the second category of guided or wired media now, and that is coaxial cable. As you can see in the picture, coaxial cable consists of an electronic cable pair. The outer cable, which is like a braided copper net, produces electromagnetic field around the central cable. It is separated by a plastic shield. Also, it is expensive and used for TV antenna and CCTV. It's time for us to learn about the third category of guided or wired media, that is fiber optics. As you can see in the picture, it consists of a pair of a cable. Also, there is a plastic jacket to separate the two cables. The core is a glass tube and there is glass cladding around it. And also, data transmission is carried out by wire reflecting light. Fiber optics used in modern telephone networks. It is relatively more expensive and fastest data transmission media at present. The second main category of transmission media is unguided or wireless media. In unguided or wireless media, data is transmitted as signal through the air without using physical medium. The first category of unguided or wireless media is radio waves. In here, data transmission is performed using radio waves. For examples, Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. The second category of unguided or wireless media is microwaves. As you can see in the picture, it is travel in a linear mode and used in satellite communication to transmit data as transponders. And also, data can be transmitted to any distance and it is used in internet communication. The third category of unguided or wireless media is infrared. Infrared is used in TV remote controllers, wireless keyboards and mouse, etc. It's time for us to learn about computer network devices now. The first device is Network Interface Card or NIC. NIC has an RJ45 port and is built into the motherboard in modern computers. And also, In the port NIC was a separate cord to be plugged to the motherboard. The second device is switch or hub. It acts as the mediator to build a connection between two or more computers. Let's learn the differences between the switch and hub. Hub sends the transmitted data to all computers, and because of that, it may create an unnecessary network data congestion. But switch sends data to relevant computer only, and data speed is higher than the hub. The third device is wireless fidelity, or else you can call it as Wi-Fi. It allows the users to build a computer network easily and provide internet connections for mobile phones and laptop computers using radio waves. The fourth device is the router. That is the device used to build a connection between two or more computer networks. Next device is the modem. It is used to connect the computers of a computer network or a personal computer at home to the internet. Last device is the firewall. It is a network security device that monitors incoming and outgoing network traffic and permits or blocks data packets based on a set of security rules. Let's learn about client or server network now. As you can see in the picture, the one who requests data or information via internet or from an area network is called a client, and the one who provides data and information is called the server. In the next part, we are going to learn about the types of computer network. Classification according to the geographical distribution of computers in the network are local area network, metropolitan area network, and wide area network. Let's learn about the first classification, that is local area network, or you can call it as LAN. It connects computers inside a room or several rooms in a building. The second classification is the metropolitan area network, or you can call it as MAN. It is a combination of several local area networks which covers less than 16 miles. For examples, banking networks. The third category is the wide area network, or else you can call it as WAN. It covers a wide area, and this can be within or outside a country. For examples, Internet. Let's learn about the network topologies now. It is the pattern of connection in designing computer network. Number 1. Star topology. This is a commonly used design and built by centralizing a switch or hub and computers as given in the picture. Number 2. Bus topology. All the connections are established through a main cable here. Number 3. Ring topology. Computers are positioned in a ring or bangle and connected through cables in the ring topology. Number 4. Tree topology. It has characteristics of both bus and star topologies. Last topology is the mesh topology. All the computers in the network are connected with each other in mesh topology. Let's learn the benefits of networking now. Number 1. Data and information can be shared between computers. Number 2. Less storage space. Number 3. Ability to share resources. Number 4. Ability to control central software. Number 5. Ability to connect at anywhere and at any time. Number 6. Security. And number 7. Can use electronic mail to share information. In the last part of today's lesson, we are going to learn about the disadvantages of networking. Number 1. Possible security issues. Number 2. Breakdown of network. Number 3. Virus. Number 4. Computer breakdowns. And number 5. Training requirements.